on here, guys. It is the TM Pimp and brand new YouTuber. Whoops. And just wanted to let you know, brand new YouTuber, you know, gonna be doing some awesome stuff for Xbox. Leave in the comments what you'd want me to play. I mean, I already know that I'm gonna be playing Minecraft, so yeah. Leave in the comments below what you guys like to see me play. And yeah, that's really it. Just a little intro video to my new channel, or to my channel. And yeah. And by the way, guys, if I'm playing Minecraft, I'll probably be doing the world. This is just a world called houses. It's just ideas for homes. So yeah, thought I might as well do a little bit of gaming for my intro. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna be pimping.